Boom! Don't know. Once again, you're in tune to RANGSIDE TV. Myself, Dapper Dimples. You don't know. What go on?
Yeah, man, respect, man.
Everything alright.
Yeah, man, bless.
Don't know.
Yeah, good to see you back on the show again, you know what I mean?
Yes,
Finally.
Yes.
So I want to say big up to everybody that's watching us, you know what I mean? Remember to like, subscribe, share, and you can also leave a comment, okay? Yeah, today we want to talk about a few things that, you know what I mean, that's been affecting, you know, our country, Jamaica, and it's affecting a lot of people across the world as well, because, you know, we have enough Jamaican people, you know?
Yeah.
But before we get into that now, there's a few little questions that, you know what I mean, we just want to go through, So, Alkaline, right, was arrested over the weekend. Last weekend.
What for?
In regards to some murder case. You know? Yeah, it's like, you know, there's mixed story about it on the internet at the moment. I don't know what is true or what is not true. However, I know that he handed himself in on Friday.
Okay.
And as far as I know, he's still in jail. You know, some people saying that he's arrested and charged. You know, and some people saying that, you know, it's just because they were trying to hold him for 72 hours.
Right. Yeah.
And because it's following the weekend, they have to keep him until the Monday. So it could be a possibility that Alkaline is going to get released today, Monday. So if Alkaline has already been released, then, you know, big up to that, you know. My message to Alkaline really is try not to follow Vybz Kartel footsteps.
You understand? It's
you know
not the one. It's not the one, man.
It is not the one, because I'm guaranteed that Vybz Kartel probably is an innocent man. It's just like the system. Once the system see that you are trying to elevate yourself within the
obstacles come your way. Yeah.
You know what I mean? So they will try and frame you know what I mean? And I think Alkaline is one of them guys there that the system is trying to free. Yeah. Likewise, family as well, you know what I mean? You know, the government set on these guys, you know. Every minute they want it for something, and you know what I mean? And I want
interrupting their thing.
Yeah, and I want the artists to just, like, you know, just
calm themselves down,
man. You know, you don't need to, as I said, badness and music don't go together.
It don't
so if
mix.
you're a bad man, just be a bad man. And if you're a musician, just be a musician.
True.
You understand? So what do you think about that?
No, definitely, that's true, man. I think a lot of the artists nowadays, because of the content and what's going on in the music, they're getting gassed. You understand? So even if they've never lived a lifestyle like that before now, just from listening to so much of them sort of music, like, you understand what I'm saying? It's like they might feel, say, okay, they got a sort of persona on the road as a musician. Yeah. So in real life, if a real life situation kick off, the persona that they create actually comes alive in reality, but it's not actually them, because it's almost like a performance, if you understand what I'm trying to say. So it's like enough of them artists are not into badness, but as soon as they touch the lyrical thing and they start getting influence and they drop certain tune and certain bad man lyric and thing, they turn into that guy. You get what I'm trying to say? And like they want to prove themselves as well, like, listen, you can't ramp with me. You understand what I'm saying? So it's coming like the worse of the charge, the more ratings you get as the artist. You understand what I'm saying? Like, you can't, like, them man, they talk the thing, but he's actually gone to jail for rape. It's like, it's coming like on the streets and on the roads, you get more ratings for that, in a way. You understand what I'm saying?
It's a good thing you mention that, you know. And this is something that people need to stop.
They need to stop glorifying that.
More and murder, some major incidents, you know. It's like everybody just go crazy and they start to put you up for like this top man.
It can ruin your life.
We shouldn't really be encouraging that kind of behavior.
No, we are big people out here. We're big. Yeah, big up each and everybody locked into RANGSIDE TV. Yeah.
So Mr. Dimple, let's start quickly, because we have under 1 minute to cover a few things.
Alright, quick.
What do you think about violence against women in Jamaica and across the world?
No, it can't happen. Have to stop, you understand? Women and children, you have to rate them highly, you understand? And protect them, and the women bring forth the children to create a new future for us, you understand? So they have to be nourished, man. You have to protect the women and children them stuff.
And what do you think about the organ harvesting? Do you think it's a fact or is a fiction?
No, it's something that shouldn't be going on. It's disgraceful that it's happening, and it's all to do with money. You understand? Human beings' life is worth much more than any amount of money. You understand? These things can't be happening no more. Yeah?
And next thing, what do you think about those graphic images that's going around on social media showing, you know, dead bodies and stuff like that?
No. There's certain images that shouldn't be allowed to even enter the filter of getting on there. You understand what I'm saying? Because it's disturbing. It can go into your subconscious and disturb you in your sleep or anything. You understand? It's not a good thing.
They wanna know Aaron Nathaniel Davis. My initials spells and continuation of life for everlasting. 4 years of my life section when I add it up, you know. I got bipolar. Let me tell you a little story, part of my life. Back in the day, got kicked out my mum's yard, didn't follow the rules, it's too hard, you know. I moved out at 16, hospital, smoking weed like it weren't no thing, like it's nothing. Then the skunk had me up, I was having me up regular, didn't give a fuck, then I lost my mind temporarily. I got locked up for months and medicated forcefully, everyone I knew, they thought I was mad. Family visited me, was making me sad. Yo, mum reached first, brothers, sisters and that, girlfriend, ex-gal, the support that I had some support. Back on my feet, now I'm ready again. Yo, I just touched gold. I ain't got no friends, cause the stigma attached to the mental health means it's hard to accept. Gotta stay by yourself. Alone for a while, ladies feeling the blessing. But I went through, had my confidence dead. Took a while to get back to my usual self. I was so stressed that I treated weed like my health. Chicks telling me to stop, didn't listen again. Afraid to kill some man that I thought was my friend. And I got locked up in a prison this time on 7 days on remand. Big man just not fine. It was far from the place that I wanted to be, even though it's one's with on the edge is not me. Made a promise to myself I'm never going back in, so I went back stuck on this music thing. Got a job like usual, yeah, that's part of my life, but it didn't end there. Smoking weed was so nice. Just circle, imagine scuff at me again. Cut a long story short, 7th section. From 20 to 30, my life was a mess. I love weed so much, they call me MC Set. On the pirate radio, big names in the game. Supreme up front, they like a couple names. Got excited to G, did beats and chat, but I went and smoked skunk when I was riding the track. Listen, I'm a DJ, bro. Even went to college, making beats for real, trying to stay focused on this music. It's my hobby and I love it, always wanted to sing, so I wrote a little song about expensive women. Got a new job, got my confidence back, got I'm really feeling the swag. Trash and red heat, wanna find wifey, cause all this playing around has gotta stop eventually. Got my focus with my life and raise a family, make money, buy a house, car, travel and ting. Listen to my story, learn from my mistakes. I'm not perfect, I'm real, ain't got time for no fakes. I'm in a good place now, got that off my chest, that's what they call me, you know. Mr. Bless, aka Dapper Dimples. I'm feeling boasty, aka DJ Bless. Yes. Walking past the past, vacancy present, uncertain future. After everything I've been through, I'm not letting nothing affect my confidence again. I'm making sure I stay up, way up. Bless up. Dapper Dimples, Dapper Dimples, Dapper Dimples, Dapper Dimples, Dapper Dimples.